there's a silent trap that catches so many landlords and aspiring property investors, even those who are already in the game. It's not a lack of property deals, it's not high interest rates, it's not bad tenants. It's confusion. Confusion about what strategy to use, confusion about what the numbers mean, confusion about what's actually working and what's actually just noise. And that's what we're gonna fix today. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the cash flow confusion trap, what it is, how it quietly sabotages your journey, and the 3-part framework I teach to clear the fog and create true clarity, confidence, and cash flow. Let's get straight to it. If you're confused about property, you will lose in property. Not just lose money, not just lose time, you'll lose momentum, confidence, and opportunities. And you might not even realize it when it's happening. Confusion doesn't show up with a warning label. It shows up subtly. You hesitate on a deal because you're unsure if it's really a good one. You avoid reaching out to an estate agent because you don't know what to say. You keep watching more YouTube videos, hoping the next one will suddenly make it all clear. This is what I call the learning loop, where the more you learn, the less sure you feel, and the cost of this, well, is simply inaction. Meanwhile, people with half your knowledge but full clarity are building cash flow. They're stacking deals and they're moving forward. Confusion kills confidence, and when confidence goes, action runs away with it. Now, let me challenge a common belief, because most people think that the solution to confusion is more information, more courses, more books, more videos, more PDFs. But information isn't the problem. In fact, for most of you, information is the overload. You see, you don't need more inputs, you need a process. Think of it like Google Maps. You don't need to see every single road in the country. You need your route. And that's where our cash flow curriculum comes in. It's not just about teaching you theory, it's about giving you a practical roadmap. One that says, start here, avoid this, do this next. And it's built on 3 key pillars. If you want to move from confusion to clarity, you need to build your journey on 3 pillars. 1 is reduce risk, 2 is gain guidance from a guide, and 3 is leverage lessons. Let's explore them. Pillar 1, reduce risk. The number 1 fear in property isn't failure, it's actually exposure. People aren't afraid to take action, they're afraid of getting it wrong publicly and losing money in turn. That's why the first principle is to reduce risk. This doesn't mean avoid action, it means structure your action to be as wise as possible. Now, that might mean testing a strategy with someone else's property, i.e. doing a strategy like rent to rent, or partnering with someone who's more experienced for your first deal, or starting with lower risk strategies that build experience. You see, reducing risk allows your nervous system to stay calm and action to stay consistent. Pillar 2, gain guidance from a guide. Now, you can do it alone, but it will cost you 10 times more in time, stress, and missed opportunity. Every investor I've worked with who scaled fast has one thing in common. They didn't try to figure it all out themselves. They found a guide, someone who has walked the path, who can help them see blind spots and can offer frameworks, not just opinions. You see, having a guide doesn't remove the work, but it removes the wasted work. You see, you're still in the driver's seat, but the sat-nav actually works. Pillar 3, leverage lessons. Finally, if you want to build cash flow fast, you need to leverage lessons, and not just your own, but the lessons of other people. This is how you leapfrog. Ask questions like, what did they do? What would they do differently? What did it really cost them? You see, I've seen students avoid 5-figure mistakes simply by applying a lesson someone else paid the price to learn. You see, you don't need to reinvent the wheel, you need to pay attention to each of the turns. When you combine these 3 principles, the fog lifts. You see, one of my students was overwhelmed, stuck, watching videos, and hadn't even done a deal in the last 18 months. After applying the cash flow curriculum, they clarified their strategy, they reduced unnecessary risk, and they began building with support and with structure. Their first result? They literally replaced their income within 5 days of our cash flow creation week. This isn't theory, this is execution. Clarity creates momentum. So let me ask you, where is your confusion showing up? Are you stuck in the learning loop? Are you over consuming and under executing? Or are you afraid to move forward because something still feels unclear? Here's your way out. Start with clarity. Take the cash flow quiz. It's free, it's fast, and it's built to help you understand where you are, what you need, and what to do next. You will leave with insight and not with overload. You'll find a link in the description below. And remember, confusion is not a sign that you're not ready. It's a sign that you're one decision away from clarity. So make the decision, break the loop, create the cash flow. And I'll see you on the next video, because small keys open up big doors.